Welcome back all of you. Let's start solving this beautiful exponential equation. X square minus x cube is equal to 80. We have to find the value of x which satisfies this equation. So all of you watch the complete video and thumbs up if you like this solution. Let's get started. X square minus x cube. We are going to move this 80 to left hand side, so it will become negative. This is equal to 0. X square minus x cube minus 80 is as same as minus 16 minus 64, because adding 64 and 16 will give us 80 and sign will be negative. After rearranging, 16 will come first, minus x cube minus 64 is equal to 0. We can write this 16 as 4 square. Let's write in bracket minus x cube. If minus is common, so the sign will change, it will become positive, and 64 is 4 cube is equal to 0. Now this is the difference of square formula, and here we will use cubic formula. Let's check. A square minus b square is an algebra identity which is equal to a plus b times a minus b, and for that we will use cubic formula. A cube plus b cube, this is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So we can write this x square minus 4 square in the form of a square minus b square, like x plus 4 times x minus 4, and this can be written as x plus 4 times a square mean x square minus ab mean 4x plus b square mean 4 square, bracket is equal to 0. X plus 4 times x minus 4 minus x plus 4 times x square minus 4x plus 4 square is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. This is equal to 0. Here we can see that x plus 4 as common. So inside bracket we have x minus 4 minus x square minus 4x plus 16, bracket is equal to 0. X plus 4, x minus 4. We are going to multiply this negative sign and will open the bracket. Minus x square minus minus plus 4x minus plus minus 16 square bracket close is equal to 0. Here we can see few like terms. We are going to add and subtract these. X plus 4 times minus x square as it is. 4x and x are like terms, plus 5x minus 16 minus 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. It means that we got two factors. X plus 4 is equal to 0. Minus x square plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. From the first case, we can get the value of x. X is equal to, we will move this 4 to right hand side, so it will become negative. X is equal to negative 4 is one value of x. Let's look at the second case. Minus x square plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. If we take minus sign as common or multiply minus sign, so it will become x square minus plus minus 5x minus minus plus 20 is equal to 0. Now this becomes a quadratic equation and we are going to use quadratic formula where a is equal to 1, b is equal to -5 and c is equal to 20. Formula is -b plus minus root b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. After putting the values, negative times -5 plus minus -5 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is 20 all divided by 2 times 1. Negative times negative, positive 5, and -5 whole square mean 25. Minus minus will become positive. Minus 20 times 40 is 80. Divided by 2 one time is divided by 2. This is equal to 5 plus minus. After subtracting we get minus 55 divided by 2. We can write this as 5 plus minus square root 55 iota divided by 2, because iota is equal to -1. Value of iota is equal to -1. It means that for square root -55 we write square root 55 iota. We got two values of x from this case. One is 5 plus root 55 iota divided by 2 and the other is 5 minus root 55 iota divided by 2. These are the two values from second case, but we can see that iota is an imaginary number, so we are going to simply reject this case. x2 and x3 solutions are rejected. We get only one solution from the first case, x is equal to -4. But we are going to check whether this value of x is correct or not, so we will put this in the given equation. Let's check by putting in the equation x square minus x cube is equal to 80. X is equal to -4, so -4 square minus -4 cube is equal to 80. -4 square mean 4 square 16 and negative positive, minus 4 cube is equal to 64 and sign will be negative. -64 is equal to 80. 16 minus and minus positive, 64 is equal to 80. After adding, 80 is equal to 80. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side and the value of x is equal to -4 is correct, and this value of x is also satisfying this equation. I hope all the steps are clear. If you have any question, any query, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. Keep watching, keep supporting. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.